Hello YouTube. In this video, I'll be showing you how I get juicy 2-strand twist on my son's hair. And y'all, this is quick and easy, so just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so we're just gonna hop right into it. This is my son. He has, I think, like tight forehair and is looking a mess right now. But what I'll start off by doing is blow drying his hair to give it some length because he actually gets a lot of shrinkage after he washes his hair. This also allows me to prep his hair as well as detangle it. The products we're going to use today is Shine Jam on the parts, Eco Styler Gel for the ends. I do use my rat tail comb to get the most precise parts. And to finish it off, I'll be using the Magic Finger setting foam. This helps to set the style and take away any flyaways. So now you see me just trying to make sure his hair is dry because, honey, it was doing the most. So I will start off by parting his hair in the back. I like to start in the back of his head just because it just, I don't know, I think it's just easier for me. So I start off by parting a small section. I'll take the Shine Jam, I'll put that on the parts. And once I have the Shine Jam on the parts, I will clean up the parts with the rat tail comb to make the parts more precise. After that, I will make some small boxes and separate those with Shine Jam to make it neat. Once I have that box, I actually take the hair that's in that section, separate it into two tails, and then kind of just start twisting. I am right-handed, so I do twist toward the left. And you'll notice that when I have those two tails in my hands, I place them in between my thumbs and index fingers. You'll see me twirling my wrist or hand to kind of give it that rope look. I think that's what you say. But you see here is I'm going to have the two tails in between my two thumbs, and I'm just going to twist. And I'll be twisting my wrist as well as wrapping it around to give it that rope look. And once I get to the middle of his head, I start putting gel at the end and then twirling the ends around my fingers because the middle of his head tends to be thicker and more coily, so I can get those ends to make a little curl around my finger. One thing about this style is that if you put too much product on it, it tends to be very stiff, and my son likes for his hair to move, so I try not to put too much product on it. So I really just put like the Shine Jam on his roots, and then once I detangle his hair, you'll see that product actually moves down when you start combing, so I don't feel the need to put product all the way down his hair. I use the gel on the ends because the gel seems to be water-based and it's lighter, so it allows for more curls, but the jam tends to make the hair stiff. This is actually what the hair is looking like after I'm done with this section. I will tell y'all that I love this style. It's quick and easy. I think it's perfect for young boys and men because it lasts 2 weeks. I mean, you really can't go wrong with this style though. But you'll see me for the next couple of minutes completing the rest of his hair. So now that I'm in the front of his head, my son actually likes for his twist or braids to kind of be in his face. So I actually twist those in a different direction so they'll kind of hang over his forehead. I don't know why he likes that, but he just does. So yeah, just keep on watching. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna add the foaming mousse on his hair, and this is to help with any flyaways. And I like this stuff because I just really like the consistency of it. But I use the blow dryer to set the hairstyle. After that, I put some oil on his scalp, and then we are done. So this is a full 360 view of his hair. Y'all, I think this turned out pretty good. It actually took me about like maybe 2 hours to do the style, but I think most of that was because we were recording. As you can see, he likes it. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all have ever wore this style, have ever completed this style on someone else's head. I think it looks really good on him, and it gives him a chance to, he likes to shake his hair, so it gives him an opportunity to do that. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I'll see y'all in my next video.